Look so good, I damn near crashed. Could it be I finally met my match? There was something about the way you just took my breath away. Got this feeling in my veins, so insane.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our bride-to-be, Galang Galang!
Congratulations! Ang saya-saya namin lahat para sa'yo. Nakakatuwa na nararanasan mo to. Sobrang mong deserve. At sana maraming makakita at makaalam itong magandang nangyayari sa buhay mo. Para maraming tao ang makaalam na ito ay posible. Ito ay laging nangyayari. Ayun, again, congratulations. You're such a beautiful soul. At sobrang mong deserve lahat ng magagandang nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo. I am so happy for you. I love you.
It makes me go.
Congratulations, Jervy. So happy and proud of you. Isa kang napakagandang ehemplo sa marami. Diba? Love wins, sabi nga nila. So congrats.
Very happy for you, Jervy. At sabi nga nila, ang daming na-inspire. Nakikita namin every time you come to work, yung glow, yung love, yung happiness, and you're very fulfilled and content. And stay that way, and maraming maniniwala na mayroong forever.
The way you shine, so bright, wanna make it all mine, feeling like
grabe, nakakaiyak pala to. Alam niyo, pangarap ko lang dati na ikasal kay Lok. Pero ngayon, ang dami kong na-realize sa buhay. Maraming mga kaibigan mong nandyan para sa'yo. Thank you. Maraming mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo at maraming mga taong gusto kong makitang masaya. I think yun yung the best na natutunan ko dito sa journey nitong wedding na ito. Hindi, nakakaiyak talaga. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Talagang dadaling ko po ito for the rest of my life. Thank you for making me so happy today.